This is the blood supply going to the spinal cord. The major arterial blood supply are the anterior spinal artery and the posterior spinal arteries. Anterior spinal artery provides 75% of your total spinal cord blood. It is the primary supply to the motor tracts, which are shown here in red. These are the descending efferent pathways in red. It also has a single midline vessel. So you'll have a single midline vessel coming up on this side, on the anterior side, that affects about 75% of the spinal cord in this pattern that I'm drawing here, including your motor tracts. It receives significant input from anterior radicular arteries, especially in the thoracic region. The notable largest radicular artery is the artery of Adamkiewicz. Next are your two posterior spinal arteries. These two vessels together provide 25% of your blood supply. This supplies primarily sensory tracts, and they receive main blood flow from vertebral arteries in the cervical region. This vascular arrangement is important because the predominant blood supply comes from the anterior cord, which means that anterior cord syndromes are more common with vascular compromise. It's important to understand this distribution because it helps you predict patterns of neurologic deficits in spinal cord ischemia.